Hi, in this video I will show you how to do the Disney trend on the Instagram. So the process is pretty simple. If you are looking for this filter on the Instagram, then you are looking for the wrong. So this is basically filtered by the Snapchat. So first of all you have to open your Snapchat mobile application, and once you will open it, now you have to click on the emoji from here and go to the explore from here. Once you will here, now you have to search for the Pixar, and you will see cartoon 3D style. This is basically a Disney filter. Simply tap on it, shoot a video with this filter and upload it on the Instagram. So this is the procedure to do the Disney trend on the Instagram. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.